Are you tired of feeling exhausted, thirsty, or constantly hungry? Are you struggling to manage your diabetes? Let's explore the power of nutrition and discover the delicious foods that can help reverse diabetes and improve your overall well-being. Welcome to Health Sabs. Individuals with prediabetes or diabetes need to eat a healthy, balanced diet that will help regulate their blood sugar levels within the body to avoid adverse health effects. The Diabetes Solution by Dr. Richard K. Bernstein emphasizes the importance of a low-carbohydrate diet and lifestyle changes for managing diabetes. There is a significant role of diet in diabetes management. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body produces or uses insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. While medication is often necessary to manage diabetes, a healthy diet plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels and improving overall health. 5 essential foods for people with diabetes. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats, avocados contain monounsaturated fats, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. According to American Diabetes Association, avocado contains 8% of your daily value of fiber, with 3.5 grams of naturally good fats to help you stay full and energized for all your activities throughout the day. High in fiber, the fiber in avocados can help slow down the absorption of glucose, preventing blood sugar spikes. Nutrient-dense, avocados are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Chia seeds. High in fiber, chia seeds are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Omega-3 fatty acids, these healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Plant-based protein, chia seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, which can help control blood sugar levels and maintain muscle mass. Research studies reported that chia seeds contain high quantities of dietary fiber, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids such as linolenic acid. Recently, chia seeds have been recognized as the best source of omega-3 and fatty acid. Flax seeds. Fiber content. Flax seeds are rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote digestive health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Similar to chia seeds, flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which can improve insulin sensitivity. Lignans, these plant compounds have been shown to have beneficial effects on blood sugar control. Food isn't just fuel, it's a powerful tool to manage diabetes. By making smart choices, you can significantly improve your blood sugar control and overall well-being. Olive oil. Healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil is a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants. Olive oil contains antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of heart disease. Drizzle it on salads, use it for cooking, or enjoy it as a dip for bread. Berries. Low in sugar. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Fiber content. Berries are a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in berries can help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Enjoy them as a snack, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Tips for managing blood sugar levels. Portion control is important. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Carbohydrate counting is a must. Monitor your carbohydrate intake to help manage blood sugar levels. Consider regular meals. Eat regular meals and snacks throughout the day to avoid fluctuations in blood sugar. Limit processed foods. Avoid sugary drinks, processed foods, and refined grains. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help regulate blood sugar levels. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you can significantly improve your blood sugar control and overall well-being. It is essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and to develop a plan that suits your individual needs. Subscribe for more health tips and tricks.